Miracle Hill wants to make sure the upstate's homeless population are properly cared for during the pandemic. That's why they've teamed up with Greenville city and county leaders to make sure there is a place for people to quarantine and recover. Fox Carolina's Carrie Weimer checked out the new location today and has more on how they plan to make sure Greenville homeless are taken care of.
With DHEC projecting COVID cases to peak in May, we wanted to see what kind of preparations were underway for those with nowhere to go.
This is the vulnerable people. People sometimes get forgotten about, but in this case it hasn't been forgotten about.
A place for those with nowhere to go that may need to recover from COVID-19.
They have to leave the hospital. They need a place where they can recover.
Brown says if a person has been treated and dismissed from a hospital, there's a spot at Miracle Hill in Greenville for them to quarantine.
This is an interim piece of it, so we're only doing this for maybe 2 to 3 weeks. The city and the county are working with the hospital systems to also set up a longer-term solution for the homeless population.
Brown says this interim location at Miracle Hill in Greenville can support up to 25 people and will be staffed by volunteers from Miracle Hill and medical professionals as needed.
We have response teams from Prisma that will be coming in here and working with these patients to check them and to continue to monitor them as to where they are in their recovery.
Prisma will also be providing protective gear and training for the volunteers to care for recovering patients.
There's a place who really cares. There's a city who really cares. There are hospitals who really care for the homeless.
Miracle Hill says they are in need of donations now more than ever. Brown says that they've lost a major source of their income when having to close down the thrift stores. If you'd like to make a donation, you can go to their website at miraclehill.org. Or they are also accepting donations of sanitizers and cleaning products right now during this pandemic. Reporting in Greenville, I'm Carrie Weimer, Fox Carolina News.